Hey guys, this is your DBA Rocks Oracle, and in this Oracle video, I'm gonna talk about user management. In this user management topic, I'm gonna talk about how to create a user, how to drop a user, and how to grant privileges, and how to revoke privileges from a particular user. So I'm gonna talk more about all the basic stuff, so I'm not go more deeper into this user management topic. So let's start to create a user, and learn some basic stuff regarding the user management part. All right. So let's connect to SQL+. Okay. Let's check whether we are connected to the right database. Okay, we are connected to the right database, and now I'm gonna create a user first, and let's see how to create a user. Now the syntax will be create user, username, you can give anything, let's say Tom, create user Tom, identified by password. So the syntax is create user, username identified by password. You can give anything, create user Tom identified by Sam. Sam is the password for Tom, so anything, user created. And now let's see whether this user is created and visible in the schema. Select name from db underscore select oops sorry select start from dba underscore users would show you the all the users connected to it, but let's see, select username. This would be the more more regularly used command, so we'll go by the select username from db underscore users. Right, see, in this we have created, just now we have created a user called Tom, so we'll check whether this user is created or whether the user Tom is created or not. See here Tom is created. All right, so now let's see whether using this user we can connect to the database. All right, connect Tom using his password is the same. See, look here, we got this error, that user Tom lacks create session privilege. So guys, it's not only about creating a user, that user should have some authentication to connect to the schema. So Tom lacks a create session privilege, so let's go ahead and give this particular create session privilege to Tom, so that we can connect to Tom's schema and create some tables and all. All right, connect. Alright, now I'm gonna grant, to grant any privilege, the syntax is grant create session to Tom. Right, see, look, now we will just try to connect one more time. So let's see this time whether we can connect to Tom's schema. Right, connect Tom's schema. See, look, we are able to connect, because earlier we didn't have the create session privilege. Let's check whether we got this privilege or not. We can see that we got it, but we can also check using one more command. So let's start from session underscore privilege. It will show you what are all the privileges this particular Tom has. See, Tom has only one privilege, which is create session privilege. But usually we can use a command which is grant create comma session to Tom. If we with the help of that particular command, we actually get around 10 default privileges with that one command. So we already gave the create session privilege, so we'll give more privileges uh, to user Tom so that he can do some activity on it. Okay, so generally the command is grant connect comma resource to Tom, but we already gave this connect, which is nothing but the create session privilege to user Tom. So now again giving the connect privilege is not required. So grant resource to Tom is enough to get the rest of the privileges to Tom. All right. Grant resource to Tom. Grant succeeded. So now let's connect back to Tom's schema and check how many privileges he got this time. All right. Session underscore trace. Oops. I guess I got this one. That was typo. Sorry. Session. I got correct this time. Yes. See, look. Now we got 10 privileges. Earlier we didn't give the resource option, and the only privilege we got the create session privilege. So you can see that grant resource to Tom has given Tom more line privileges. Generally the command, as I said earlier, the command is grant connect comma resource to Tom would give all the default. These are all default privileges where you can see Tom can create a table, create a cluster, create a procedure, trigger, etc. So he has got also the unlimited table space privilege. So now we saw that how to grant privileges to a particular user. Now let's see how to earlier we have connected with a username Tom with a password of password using Sam. So now we'll see how to change a password to the particular user. Right? We'll change the password of Tom. So to change the password of Tom, earlier it was Tom Sam is the password, and now we are going to change the password. So let's connect to SysDBA, and to change the password, the command is alter user. Now these are all the basic steps on how to create a user, and how to change the password. So we can just change it by alter Tom identified by Tom. Oops, I'm sorry, it's alter user Tom identified by Tom. Yeah, let's keep it as Tom, the password. So this is how you change the password of a particular user. And now let's say how to we'll see we saw that how to grant privileges to a user, and we'll see now how to revoke privileges. All right. Let's say okay, let's see. Okay, we are in sys user. So now we'll revoke the given privileges to user Tom. All right. So the command would be revoke create session session from Tom. Now see, revoke succeeded. Now Tom cannot connect to his own schema because he has lost the create session privilege. Let's just check. Connect Tom. Remember that we have changed the password from Sam to Tom again. So Tom. Alright. See, look. Even though he has got the other privileges, by losing create session privilege, he's not able to connect to his own schema. So this is how you revoke any privilege. Now the rest of the other privileges, I mean, he had the he had other create table privileges and all. One by one with the same command you can revoke all these 10 privileges which user Tom has. Now let's say, see now we'll see how to drop a user. Now user will just drop the user Tom, and the command will be drop user Tom, drop user username. So this is how you drop a user. Oops. Right, now let's say drop user Tom. See, drop user Tom, user is dropped. Now let's just check whether we have successfully dropped the user or not. Select username from PBMs for users. Right. See, here you can see you cannot find Tom's name because the user is dropped. Now if you have created any tables under Tom schema, you can also use a command called drop username cascade. The syntax will be drop user Tom cascade. The cascade option will allow you to drop the related schemas, or if there are any objects created with Tom's name, all those things would be automatically gets deleted. So this is the video, a formal introduction on user management. So hope you guys have learned something. Thank you so much, and you have a great day. Bye.